Mga cake, ayan, ayan, ayan. Walang chocolate. I don't know kung ano yung chocolate dyan. Pero in fairness, mura. Parang ito lang yung pinaka gusto ko ata. Ano to? Oo. Which I don't know. Unless, ayan. Ano lang gusto nyo dyan, please? Oh, hindi ko alam ang chocolate dito. Ito. Yes. These are fresh. We will order and they will make it. And these are the half kilo, ma'am, no? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can choose. I can buy it now. Alright. Ito, meron sila ensaymadan. Sarap, lambot. Oo. Ayan eh. Asang ka, kuy? Ito, oh. Ay, ayaw makita. Ayan. Habang mainit, sabay kayo ni Isang kumain.